The TikTok sensation, in comparison, was a relatively underprivileged child who only started to gain wealth after quitting competitive kickboxing as a 4-time world champion. Andrew Tate says it took him years of trial and error to become the fabled trillionaire. Are you also curious to know about how Andrew Tate really makes his money? Well, then yes, then you've just landed on the right video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hard Rock Media. There is no denying Andrew Tate's enormous wealth, but how did he become so rich, and what does he do for a living? Today I'm going to talk you all through the actual source of Tate's income, which lets him buy expensive cars and mansions around the world. So without any further ado, let's take a look at it. Andrew Tate, who is he? His website states that he was born in the United States, maintains dual citizenship in the United States and Great Britain, is a commentator for the Romanian MMA promotion Real Extreme Fighting, and has won numerous world titles as a professional fighter. Andrew Tate is a controversial social media figure who also seems to be a capable businessman. He has undoubtedly made a living while flaunting his wealth in front of millions of people, something that many of us would find abhorrent. Andrew Tate's persistence, toughness, and work as a businessman and influencer are largely responsible for his wealth. His expensive clothes, cars, and watches show him to be very rich. But how is he making all this money? Well, we're just about to reveal. How did Andrew Tate make his money? Tate sold television advertising when he was a young man. After winning the English ISKA Full Contact Cruiserweight title in 2009, Luton Today reported that Tate had stated that kickboxing would continue to be his secondary thing. It can develop into a large thing, he continued. I could live off of it, but I wouldn't have a beautiful living. Even though the prize money may have been minimal, he won his second ISKA world title in a 12-round contest in 2013. Andrew Tate called himself broke after ending his kickboxing career. Tate and his brother Tristan reportedly made their riches running the adult webcam company My Free Cams. They hired women to hold chat conversations with males in which the men would tip the ladies after the women complained about personal misfortunes and claimed they needed money. The money that Andrew and his brother had earned was afterwards invested in cryptocurrencies and produced a sizable profit. The newspaper also stated that Tristan and Andrew, who were 33 and 35 years old at the time, respectively owned 22 vehicles, including a Bugatti, a Rolls-Royce, a Ferrari, 2 Lamborghinis, and an order in for an Aston Martin Valhalla worth £650,000. He runs a Hustlers University online course. Now, first off, it should go without saying that Hustlers University, the controversial influencer's online business that he co-owns with his brother Tristan Tate, is his main source of revenue. Hustlers University is an online subscription business run by Andrew Tate. His course costs $49.99 a month to subscribe to, and it presently has over 100,000 students. That implies that Andrew Tate makes $5 million every month through Hustlers University alone. For those who are unaware, Hustlers University is an online platform that offers a variety of courses on generating money, dating women, and networking with other people who share your entrepreneurial interests. Hustlers University is a limited enrollment school. Thus, anyone interested in enrolling must pass exams and pay $50 to do so. His subscription course experienced a rise in demand as a result of his numerous podcast appearances, where he expressed his divisive and generally denounced opinions. The Hustlers University business model is based on an affiliate marketing scheme that pays members for introducing Hustlers University to other prospective customers. Hustlers University has been criticized for having a pyramid scheme-like business model in this aspect. Despite this, members help increase sales by disseminating Andrew Tate's content and promoting the courses on his behalf via social media and other means of multimedia. As a result, Andrew Tate's program is a self-sustaining enterprise that earns substantial sums of money, maybe millions. Andrew Tate also owns a casino in Romania in addition to Hustlers University. Some of his students advertise the affiliate program for Hustlers University on TikTok and other social media sites. Affiliate marketers will record Andrew speaking ridiculous things on different podcasts and submit the videos to TikTok. The availability of these clips allows them to accomplish this. Videos of Andrew Tate on TikTok have received over 11 billion views in just a few months. Every single one of them is a free advertisement. Like the video so far? Well, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as a little action from you can help our channel grow tremendously. Now, let's get back to the video. Net worth Andrew Tate. One of the absurd claims made by Andrew Tate is that he's seen the Earth from space and knows it to be spherical. However, claims about Andrew Tate's fortune can often be even sillier. Andrew Tate is said to be worth more than $350 million. Even at that record, though, that amount of money is still mind-boggling for his, or really anyone's, coffers. Despite the fact that he's one of the most talked about individuals in the world, people ought to give him credit for being a skilled businessman. But recently, all the social media sites decided there's no place for hate and his misogynist comments and tweets. Despite having 4 million followers on Instagram, his account has been deleted, and the same was done on Facebook as well. His hateful comments about the opposite gender was found against the rules of the community guidelines of Instagram and Facebook, and soon all of his accounts were banned forever. But in the last video Tate made, he told how he's receiving death threats, around 5,000 threats per day. Tate told in the video how his life has become miserable following the ban. Not only that, the people around him were also facing similar situations. Well. Do you think that the ban on him is justified? Let us know in the comments. With that being said, it's time for us to say goodbye. But don't be sad, as we'll be back with another amazing video soon. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon button so that you don't miss any updates from my channel. See you all soon, and thanks for watching.